Have you been attempting to manifest your desires using a variety of methods? Many experiment with various methods, but when their aspirations don't come true, doubts could start to surface. Did you know that a simple 3-word sentence can change your life in ways that are almost beyond comprehension? It's true that all it takes is 3 words to bring about your desires. In this video, I'll walk you through an amazing method that revolves around using 3 short words to transform your reality and manifest your wishes. Stay tuned as we uncover real-life success stories and reveal the secrets behind these words that have worked wonders for countless individuals in less than 30 seconds a day. By the end of this video, I'll demonstrate how applying this method can bring you the life you've always yearned for, just like many others who have found it remarkably effective. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell for more intriguing, informative, and helpful content on manifestation. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist. The technique I'm about to share originates from Neville Goddard's book, The Law and the Promise. This simple 3-word method has transformed countless dreams into reality. Those who have tried it often find themselves achieving precisely what they desire. It works for most, and I'm confident it can work for you too, provided you follow the instructions I'll provide shortly. This method is both straightforward and effective, requiring just about 30 seconds of your time. But before we dive into it, let me recount a story from Neville Goddard's book, The Law and the Promise. This tale exemplifies how this technique changed the life of a woman who was grappling with financial difficulties. She confided in Neville Goddard about her struggles, unable to find a job and meet her rent payments, with her dream of owning a car seeming out of reach. Upon discovering Neville Goddard's technique, she decided to give it a shot. She shifted her focus from thinking and visualizing her needs to immersing herself in the sensation that something marvelous was unfolding right at that moment. Night after night, she repeated the 3 magical words, "Isn't it wonderful?" Then, in early October, a friend she hadn't seen for months crossed her path. He mentioned his upcoming trip to New York, and they briefly discussed the city before parting ways. Exactly 1 month later, her friend returned with a certified check for $25,000 in her name. The way she received that $25,000 check left her in awe. Her friend had been talking to someone from her past who had amassed great wealth. Upon learning of their connection, the wealthy individual instructed her friend to present her with a check for $25,000 and included her in his will, supporting her as an artist. She began receiving monthly checks of $25,000 and became a beneficiary in his will, even though they never crossed paths again. This transformation in her life, she attributes to Neville Goddard's 3-word technique, "Isn't it wonderful?" She emphasized that while visualizing and imagining your desires, you must truly feel the magic in those words to effect a significant shift in your life. Focus on your desire and immerse yourself fully in the emotion it brings, as that sensation will guide you to your desired destination. When using this technique for manifesting, aim to evoke the feelings you would experience upon achieving your goal. That emotion is the essence of these 3 words, "Isn't it wonderful?" So, when you visualize and contemplate your desire, dwell in that moment without concern for the how, when, or why. Recognize that there's a magical energy surrounding you, guiding you towards your desired outcome. This technique is what a woman practices every night before sleeping. She envisions her desire, visualizes it, sees herself as an artist, envisions wealth, and simply utters the words, "Isn't it wonderful?" immersing herself fully in that desire. This is the technique outlined in Neville Goddard's book, The Law and the Promise. You can practice it in the morning, but it's most potent when performed before sleep. Neville Goddard often recommends nighttime practice due to the heightened effectiveness of our subconscious mind in retaining these thoughts, feelings, and emotions throughout the night, making it an ideal time to employ this method. Now, let's quickly go over how to practice this technique. As you prepare to sleep, close your eyes and allow your thoughts to flow freely, like a continuous river. Visualize these positive thoughts flowing unobstructed, free from the rocks or dams that represent your negative thoughts and beliefs. These obstacles are what you might cling to because you believe they're the way things should be, but dwelling on these negative aspects won't benefit you. Instead, let your thoughts flow like that river and release those negative beliefs. Take some deep breaths and repeat the words, "Isn't it wonderful?" You can repeat them as many times as you like until that overwhelming feeling takes over. Once you're engulfed by that feeling, you'll begin to see clear images, scenes, and pictures of your desired outcome in your mind. You'll envision a path leading to everything you desire. At that point, simply reside in that moment and fully immerse yourself in it as you drift off to sleep, all while saying, "Isn't it wonderful?" Practice this for 30 days and watch the results unfold before your eyes. This is an incredibly potent technique, and, as I mentioned earlier, many people have experienced significant life changes after applying it. But here are a few essential things to keep in mind while practicing this technique. Repetition and consistency are key elements in using the "Isn't it wonderful?" technique. As you practice this before sleep each night, patience is crucial. Transforming your thoughts and beliefs can take time, so don't be disheartened if you don't see immediate results. Stick with the routine for the full 30 days to give your subconscious mind ample time to absorb the positive suggestions. During this process, it's crucial to maintain a sense of positivity. Try to let go of any negative thoughts or doubts. Trust in the process and keep your focus on the wonderful feeling of achieving your desires. Your belief in the technique's effectiveness can significantly impact its success. The most critical aspect of this technique is the power of the subconscious mind. Your subconscious works during sleep, which is why practicing this method before bedtime is recommended by Neville Goddard. By repeating, "Isn't it wonderful?" as you drift off to sleep, you're planting the seeds of your desires deep into your subconscious. Over time, these seeds will grow and manifest in your waking life. Visualization plays a significant role in this technique. As you immerse yourself in the feeling of your desire, create a clear and vivid mental image of what you wish to achieve. Visualize yourself living your dream life, experiencing your desires, and truly feeling the emotions associated with these achievements. This process of mental imagery helps reinforce your intentions and amplifies the effectiveness of the technique. Maintaining a state of gratitude can also enhance the technique's power. As you practice, express gratitude for the blessings that have yet to manifest. By doing so, you align your thoughts with a sense of appreciation and abundance, creating a positive energy that attracts your desires. Neville Goddard's techniques often involve living as if your desires have already been fulfilled. As you use the "Isn't it wonderful?" method, continue your daily activities with the belief that your desires are on their way to you. This alignment between your thoughts and actions will expedite the manifestation of your intentions. Now, You might be wondering if there are specific desires or intentions that work best with the "isn't it wonderful" technique. The truth is, this method is highly versatile and can be applied to a wide range of desires. Whether you seek financial abundance, improved relationships, career success, health, or personal growth, the key is to feel the wonderful emotion associated with your desire as you repeat the words. For instance, if you're aiming for financial success, visualize yourself enjoying a comfortable, abundant lifestyle while saying, "Isn't it wonderful?" If your goal is a healthier and happier life, imagine yourself feeling vibrant and joyful, repeating the phrase with those feelings. The technique adapts to your specific dreams and aspirations. Focus on what genuinely matters to you, what excites and inspires you. Your desires should stem from authenticity and personal significance. The more you align with your genuine passions and aspirations, the more effective the technique will be. It's crucial to understand that this technique is not a quick fix or a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a tool for shifting your mindset and attracting positive changes into your life. It requires dedication, faith, and the willingness to let go of limiting beliefs. Success with this technique is often a journey, but it can be a transformative and fulfilling one. This technique is amazing and can change your life. Many individuals have transformed their lives with this technique, and now, it's your turn to give it a shot. Share your experiences with this technique. I'd love to hear about them. If you're interested in more Neville Goddard techniques, don't forget to check out this channel for more content. With that, we've reached the end of this video. If you've made it this far, I appreciate you for listening. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button below and share it with your friends and family. It would mean a lot to us if you even subscribe to our channel for more content like this. See you in the next video. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist.